now that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. I'm chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. You. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. 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 Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself.
Hi guys. Hi guys, it's been a minute. It's been a minute since I picked this camera to vlog, but hi guys, how you all doing? It's in the afternoon. It's actually 12 right now. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time seeing this pretty face, make sure you hit that subscription button down below. Let me just take 1 minute and just talk to you guys. It's been quite a long time since I picked this phone to vlog. I don't know, the last time I think I vlogged was on my birthday, and I'm not even sure if that vlog is gonna go up, because it was not giving. It was not it was not giving. So sometimes I just wanted to be in the moment, and it's like all this time, ever since I turned 25, I've been like self-reflecting, just thinking and reflecting about my life. Yeah, it's like this 25 is coming with a lot of responsibility. It's giving grown, yani. I'm like, gosh, I'm still a baby, and I just feel like I'm old. Just decided to start a new vlog, and I'm like, I'm gonna start it as a cleaning vlog because I want to refresh my mind. Cleaning in Anifanyanga, I just feel like it's like my mind is actually functioning. It's like a therapy. Cleaning is like a therapy. And also guys, I was telling you that I've been going to the gym. Your girl has been going to the gym. It's like I'm in my 3-month or 4-month in the gym. I'm strong. It's like now a routine. I am really proud of myself, because I know I am one person who can start something and not finish it, and that's not a good habit. So me going to the gym like consistently, that is a really good thing for me. Yeah, so I just wish I could apply this consistency in other things also, even on my channel, but I'm really trying, guys. If you see my video, just give that video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, tell a friend to come and subscribe, and do all the nice things. I want to do a cleaning vlog. I want to clean my apartment, I'll sit down, enjoy, and I also have to do some shopping. I feel like this month I have to do shopping in this house. I don't really have things. I just noticed like almost everything is, I'm running out of so many things. I hope this also gonna be a maintenance vlog, because I did also these nails and I am over them. Yeah, so guys, sit back, relax, and enjoy. I was actually watching a movie, then I was like, you know what, I just miss my channel. I've been binge watching people's channels, and I'm like, gosh, I just miss vlogging and giving out some good spirits. I don't want to be, lately I feel like I was in such a funk mode from my latest. I was just struggling in creating content, and I know sometimes creating content can be so overwhelming. It can be overwhelming. So sometimes I actually just step back, just relax, enjoy the moment. And that's why I didn't feel like my birthday vlog was like doing the best. But I hope on my 26th I pray to God that it's gonna be a good one. So up this whole space. And guys, I got a new phone. I am recording from my new phone. Nimesahau kuambia aje. I got a new iPhone. I'm gonna talk about it. I'm gonna insert clips when I was going to buy it. I'm gonna just that's one thing at least I'm happy about. I got myself a phone. So let's clean up. I got this mirror. I don't know if in my last vlog I showed you about this mirror. I don't know, even remember if I showed you. I purchased this mirror and I love it. Every day I've been going to the gym and I've been here looking at myself. Whenever I'm going out, I'm just here looking at my outfit. So I love this mirror so much. I'm gonna insert the person's number that if you are interested in getting yourself a mirror, you can actually give him a call, and he also does delivery. Yeah, so this is me. So let's do the cleanup. And this is how I am wearing. Yani, it is just the cleanup Saturdays. Yeah. This is where I was just seated and drinking my tea as I was watching this series that I started watching. But we're gonna continue it. The Umbrella Academy, it's on Netflix. I love sci-fi movies so much, and these nails, actually love them. By the way, I rarely even change that date thing over there. I rarely even change it. So in my videos, okay, nitakuwa na change every day, because like today I don't think even if it's 10th on August, I barely change them. So mswaikuwa mnaangalia this this date, because it's actually not even the actual day. I barely change it. Every time just changing this thing. I'll be doing it every morning. Maybe that's why maybe hata siku zangu zina feel like almost the same, because I don't even change the dates. Yeah, and I know I'm gonna probably lose some nails after cleaning all this, because I wanted to call the madam who helps me clean, but I'm like, Juliet, you can do it yourself and just save some money. Because you see, yesterday I washed utensil and namoja ilitoka, and I feel like they're so weak. So I think I'm gonna probably lose more. I don't know. I don't know where to start from, but I probably should go and start washing the dishes, because I hate washing dishes. So, but see mobleo. Luckily, I washed yesterday Gioni when I was cooking, so I know it's not a lot. So.
Starts as my snipers hit their marks and your guards fall down from a rifle to the heart like clap, clap. Let them fall slow. I know you had your fears, you can let them all go. And most women are motivated, so I act accordingly. But this is so refreshing that it means a little more to me. Dedicating time when I really can't afford to be. I'll provide protection if you open up the door for me. Couple stares, couple texts, couple dates, couple I think that we're ready, couple I think we should wait. Are we acting like a couple? I'm just trying to get it straight, cause I'm over here convinced that it's too early for mistakes. And then
Ooh, you had to change up the game. Oh, the weather is not the same. Now there's only cloudy days. I can't stand the rain in July. There were fireworks exploding, but now it's getting colder. The leaves are turning colors. Why? It's just not our season.
where did all the magic go? I followed the rules and told you everything you had to know. Had you over every night was passionate. Plus you met my mother even if it was an accident. I'm confused, tell me where we go wrong. I was sure that
I'm done doing cleaning. Akinimosha, hey, I've washed my place, everywhere is clean. I want to arrange a few things up kwa fridge, and akisina shopping. I really have to do a monthly shopping. So yeah. So guys, I am done doing cleaning. It's like 12 years later. I want to head out. I want to go for some classes. Yani adi nimefanya cleaning until I just removed my nails. Nimezikatakata, and this will probably mean that I should just go for a new nail set. But yeah, I want to go for some classes, like 1 or 2 hours, then I come back. My outfit, I'm wearing these slides that I always run errands with and some pants, and this like a sweater top. Yeah, I'm also carrying this bag. Actually, this bag is like now my everyday errand bag, because I go to the gym with it, I go sometimes shopping with it and now I'm going to class with it. So yeah,
I would be with you for so long. I was planning on this being something worth mentioning. Energy invested in someone I saw potential in. Who killed chivalry? They need to get their sentence in. Meanwhile we arguing and I can't get a sentence in. And just as I predicted, here we go again. They always say the hottest love has the coldest end.
Oh, you had to change up the game. Oh, the weather is not the same.
so guys, I am back at home. Class was a little bit challenging, but I am back at home. I want to make dinner. I need to buy some few things. I've gotten some greens. That is mboga ya kienyeji. I have avocados. I bought some danias. That hey, no one of these danias look so good, so I got so many. So I'll just prepare and tengeneza them and put some on the fridge. Yeah, for later use. And I got some pork. This is pork meat. So I want to make some ugali as early as now. So let's cook. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanna head to the gym, so yeah, that's about it right now. Nimevaa dress. I'm gonna change when I'm in the gym. Yeah, so let's go for a walk when you're going to the gym.
Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing. No such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived. Don't be sleeping on your level, cause it's beauty in the struggle, nigga. It's beauty in the struggle, nigga. Yeah. It's beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city and know sometimes we had less. Compared to some of my niggas down the block, man, we were blessed.
Hi guys, I came back from the gym. Nisha, I've had my lunch already. Someone is texting me. I've had my lunch already. I want to and I did my hair also. Nimetoka gym nikakuja, I removed the hair that I had and nikafanya some blow dry. Yeah, imagine hata ikainka imefanywa blow dry. Yeah, so I removed the hair. I have my open hair again, of which I struggle so much on styling this hair, so that's why I don't even like having my open hair. I'd rather just put some braids. Yeah, so I wanted to do skincare. So it's already in the evening. It's already like almost 6. I'm in Africa. Yeah, it's 5:30. I want to do just an evening skincare. Yeah, and I don't know, this August weather is not giving, cause why is it cold? August is almost over na bado kuna baridi. I don't get it. I don't get it. So these are the products that I'm gonna be using. This Pure Active Garnier, I'm gonna be using it as a mask on my T-zone area only. I'm not gonna be using it on my full face. Then I use this vitamin C to wash it off. Then I'll use the serum, the vitamin C serum. Yeah. Then I use this Nivea night cream because it's already in the evening, so I'd rather just use the night cream. Yeah. So guys, I have applied this mask on my just T-zone area, on my forehead and the eyes only. That's what I do with this, so that I can peel it off. So let me give this time for like 15 minutes. I want to journal kidogo for the next 15 minutes as I wait for this to dry up. Ow! Why is this thing always painful? Especially when you have hairs on your face. It's so painful. Oh gosh. Oof. Yo guys, let me remove the other part. The most painful part is just here under my eye. Yo. Guys, I'm such a fan of skincare. Ever since I just started doing skincare, I just love skincare routines, and how just skincare makes me feel after doing it. So I really love skincare. If only I could just get money and just buy the skincare I want. If only I could just get like 2 million and just get the skincare that I want. That feels so nice. Then I go in with my serum. Not too much because it's only that night. Then I use my Nivea night cream. So and that's it. I don't know what I'm gonna have for dinner. I'm trying to figure that out. Cause it's already late, it's already dark. Good morning guys. I want to take breakfast before I head to the gym. Today is on Wednesday. Today is on Wednesday, so I wanna take some breakfast. I've already showered. I just had a quick shower. I always have quick showers before I head to the gym so that I can come back home and have a good shower. I'm those people who has to have something before they go to the gym because we need some energy. And yeah, just something quick. Come back and just have a good lunch. So I just want to comb my hair, just be ready before I do everything. My father has just brought me some hot mandazis. I'm gonna have them with the tea. I'm gonna have just a weird breakfast. This Nescafe. Whenever I don't wanna make some milk tea, I go for this Nescafe.
Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived. Don't be sleeping on your level, cause it's beauty in the struggle, nigga. Beauty in the struggle, nigga. Yeah. It's beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city and know sometimes we had less. Compared to some of my niggas down the block, man, we were blessed. And life can't be no fairy tale, no once upon a time. But I be goddamn if a nigga don't be trying. So tell me, mama, please, why you be drinking all the time? Cause all the pain he brought you still linger in your mind. Cause pain still lingers on mine. On the road to riches, listen, this is what you find. The good news is, nigga, you came a long way. The bad news is, nigga, you went the wrong way. Being broke is better. Life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Think being broke is better. Life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. For what's money without happiness? Or hard times without the people you love? Though I'm not sure what's about to happen next. I ask for strength from the Lord up above. Cause I've been strong so far, but I can feel my grip loosening. Quick, do something before you lose it for good. Get it back and use it for good. And touch the people how you did like before. I'm tired of living with demons cause they always inviting more. Think being broke was better. Now I don't mean that phrase with no disrespect to all my niggas out there living in debt. Cashing minimal checks. Turn on the TV, see a nigga Rolex. And fantasize about a life with no stress. I mean this shit sincerely. And as a nigga who was once in your shoes, living with nothing to lose, I hope one day you hear me. Always gonna be a bigger house somewhere, but
And with today's workout,
when that motherfucker love you dearly, always gonna be a
Hey guys, I am going for class. This is my outfit of the day. Yo. Yeah. Hi guys, I came back home. I wanted to just bake some cake. At least I can have some bitings around the house. I wanted to do to bake a cake, and I have to just go and get my hair done because I'm giving understanding girlfriend, and look at my nails, look at my hair. Pure understanding girlfriend over here. But anyway, yeah, I want to bake. Before I bake, I want to do some laundry. Nataka kuweka hapo kwa washing machine ifue niki bake. I still have to think about what I'm gonna eat again. I'm just tired of thinking of what I'm gonna eat every day. Every day it's becoming hectic. So let me put some laundry in the washing machine, then we can bake. We can bake a cake. I'm gonna give you my recipe, the recipe that I use in baking. I don't know if I should do a banana cake or a marble cake. So yeah, because I have bananas zime overripe over here. Can we get it together?
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you.
Can we get it together?
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space.
Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. It's the next day. Yesterday I left you and I was baking cakes. I'm gonna show you how the cakes turned out. Just from the gym. I want to quickly have a very quick shower and I head out. I want to go for classes. Then my friend is also coming over, so I want to head for classes. I come back. My friend, by the time amaliza akuje, I'll be done with my classes. So let me have a quick shower, and I really need to make my hair cause it is so natural, and I've been going to the gym nime sweat. It is so tough to handle this hair. That's why I don't even like my natural hair. So yeah, let me quick shower up. Today I really looked so cute in my gym clothes. Nilikuwa na feel tunakaa poa. Yeah, so let me I'll catch up when either I'm back after class or when I'm stepping out. So guys, this is how the cake turned out. I had made 2 of these. I already had one for myself, and it turned out, it's so sweet, by the way. So sweet. Let me show you how it looks inside. Okay, it is so sweet. Imeiva vizuri. I'm wearing this dress. This is the scent of the day, and this is my lotion, deodorant. Yeah.
Options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too out there. Oh, baby, you can give it something.